North Glen concrete contractor. Dad's diversified. Here in North Glen, Colorado on another concrete patio. We just finished up our road base, got our forms in, compacted the ground, and now we're just waiting for our concrete truck. Put a nice little radius on these corners here. And we'll tie in our rebar here in about 5 minutes. So we just wanted to share with you a minute or two of our progress. This will be a standard gray concrete patio, approximately 220 square feet. So thanks for tuning in on another patio and home improvement. And we'll hope to see you next time when we get the concrete poured, finished off, take off all the forms, and we'll show you our finished product. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment box. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. And if you really like what you see, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day from North Glen, Colorado. North Glen Concrete Contractor, Dad's Diversified. Talk to you later.